Who told you to loan Ethereum for 1,760 bucks? You got it correctly? This was me. So many people were bearish. It's insane. You would talk to any person on the conference that happened in Dubai. Everyone was fucking bearish. What's happening? I thought CEOs of exchanges, they know better than some fucking guy on a random YouTube channel with 1k views? What the fuck is happening? If you're able to loan, if you are actually making money right now, as you should, make sure to press the like button. Today, we'll talk about the current situation in the marketplace, some interesting plays that are available out there, and what shall be happening next. Let's dive in. I think Bitcoin dominance top today. There are daily, weekly, and monthly DMARC tops in place. At the top is well below 2021 top, and that was below the 2017 top. If that plays out, it is the hallmark of the next phase of the banana zone. Let's see. Last time, Raul Paul was calling for banana zone. Nothing was happening for months, 1.5, and people were essentially just making fun of him like greatly, and then we truly entered a local short-term banana zone out there. Heroes of Maya just up 10%, almost 20% since actually the recent lows, right? But what I want you to focus on is that think about all the altcoins that are present on the marketplace, and think about meme coins of this specific cycle. Look at this top 100. Do you see and do you think that projects in top 100 actually deserve to be in top 100? Do they have network effect? Do they have the option to give 10, 15, 20x returns to people out there? Do they have loyal communities? Do they actually provide any fucking utility? Like Render is just a vaporware. It does absolutely nothing. People just buy it because they want to have exposure to AI. Very few of them actually have real users. Stacks is number 57. Crazy. Very few of them actually have true community out there. Something I'm actually leading to. And we're kind of starting to see some signs of that happening, right? Look at number 99, it's Doc we've had, right? Look at the number 83, it's Floki, right? And the number 77, this is Pudgy Penguin, something that Alex Becker was pushing a lot, and essentially like this main meme coin of abstract chain, despite the fact it's on Solana out there. Look at the number 56, which is Bonk. Look at the number 42, which is official Trump meme coin. Look at the number 28, which is Pepe, alright? The biggest meme coin of the cycle that we longed since the bottom. It was a public fucking call with a $400,000 profit for me. Look at Shiba Inu, number 17. Look at Dogecoin at number 8. Do you understand where I'm actually trying to lead to, where I'm leading to? What if, by the end of the cycle, 80% of the top 100 will actually consist of meme coins? Can you imagine that? Can you imagine how much more money will actually dive deep into meme coins? How much more liquidity will actually be spent in order to buy memes out there? It would be pretty fucking insane and pretty fucking crazy. And this is not the take that is very original. Other person essentially gave this take a year ago actually. He almost got fired for this take in the first place. But what if this is actually something that will be happening? Because think about that, like where is the retail upside? Where is like true action happening? And I'm experiencing it myself. I bought $600 worth of Flip Girl today and I got a 10x. So today I'm recording this video. I got 10x. Yes, it's like on 600 bucks. Before I would say it's fucking nothing and things like that. We all have to value. We have to appreciate things that are coming our way, because if we do not, they will just stop coming our way, right? So I appreciate I actually got a 10x on 600 bucks that I put in. Ask yourself a question, what does retail want? Do they want to buy in size some fucking altcoins and wait and get like 50% over the course of 8 months? Do they want to leverage trade? Do they want to expose themselves into this huge barrier of knowledge out there? Huge barrier in terms of like getting into it in the first place? Do they want to expose themselves to this tool and to this risk with leverage trading? Nah. And do they understand all the protocols? Do they understand all the tech behind all the projects? Do they have necessary knowledge to figure out that the altcoin they actually want to buy like has an unfair valuation? And this is the reason that it will essentially go up in the future, right? They're probably not. But think about meme coins. Flip Girl. It's just a short video of a girl like doing a flip, like a back salto, right? And her tits are essentially getting out, right? It's a very nice video. And Titcoin is at $40 million at this stage. The market cap of Titcoin, the coin, because they pretty much onboarded like most of the influencers out there. They told each and every influencer to buy in, despite the fact, honestly, I've seen it at 2 million. So I did have an option to buy in 2 million. No one obviously didn't fucking tell me because I'm getting 1K views, correctly predicting the market when everyone was bearish, when everyone was screaming on the conference that we are going to be bearish. I am the only person who correctly predicted the market and I am getting 1K views. This is your fucking edge. You should fucking understand this, right? So something I'm trying to lead to is that imagine top 100 consisting out of meme coins. Would it mean that like you're late? Would it mean that you should not be like paying attention? Would it mean that you should be just sitting there jerking off and doing nothing, right? Probably not. Because like this space, it's not just going to be like the flow of Web 2, like a default world liquidity into crypto, with all the Bitcoin, with all the shit that is happening in the US. It's going to be the outflow, the giant outflow, and like yet they will pump anyway, right? But it will be the giant outflow of capital outside of altcoins into meme coins. That's something I'm seeing. And like I've been talking to a range of guys in the last couple of months. Question I was always asking, what do you think about meme coins? And they were saying, yeah, it's probably too late, the trend is dead and things like that. And then the next question I was asking, okay, did you catch the first wave of meme coins? I said, no, I was busy, I was doing something else. So the opinion of people that are saying that like the trend is already like too late, nothing is happening, is the opinion of people that did not catch the trend in the first place. And then you should have a question, should you fucking listen to this type of people? Because the same people that missed the first wave are talking that this fucking shit is dying. And if we know something about Elliott wave theory, if we know about fucking something that is happening on this market, is that third wave of the uptrend movement is the biggest one, is the most fucking explosive wave out there. What shall be happening with meme coins currently is that they should be experiencing this third wave of uptrend movement. If you were able, or if you were holding nice chunks of supply in popular meme coins that are alive currently in the marketplace, I think it would be just pretty fucking insane out there, right? I think it would be pretty fucking insane. Things like Moog, things like Bobo out there, Bread, we're just going to enter the third wave now. Most people think, nah, like we made too much fucking money, but it was fucking taken as well. It was taken by market makers, by all these people, and the only thing that these people will essentially be doing with this money that they have taken is that they will actually use it to pump the market, pump back the market, right? Pump up the bags more. Because it was nice to use you as exit liquidity for them, but if you would ask them a question like, was you their end exit liquidity goal? Nah, you're not the end exit liquidity goal. You're just a point in the journey to steal some liquidity from, to make the last part of journey more effective, right? And this last part of journey is going to be about using fucking pension funds as exit liquidity. It's going to be using like boomers as exit liquidity out there. It's going to be about this shit. And it's very, very profound and interesting thought out there. And the reason I'm sharing this here is because it's a pretty important fucking one to understand at this stage, because the sooner you see these things, the sooner you understand these things, the better you will be able to position yourself, right? Imagine 80 coins out of 100 in top 100 crypto coins are meme coins. Right now, they are 10 max. 80 of them will be meme coins. Understand the fucking upside you have. If you are listening to this information, please fucking understand the fucking upside you actually have at this stage. Flip Girl. Number 2, shall I suggest you to buy it currently? No, the ideal entry point was essentially here, right? From the current levels, we actually may expand from here because yeah, it's a nice meme, it's a strong Titcoin bet out there, so we'll see. We'll essentially see with this one, but ideal entry was definitely about this resistance level. Maybe we are going somewhere here and you would be able to buy in this support zone, right? So maybe we'll do something like this, but usually it's done when the meme coin is like not that huge, nothing is happening, but like from the organic type of movement, I do believe this meme coin is very, very nice. Other things is that Yi on Ethereum is pumping for some reason, right? I do believe it's one of the very, very few. Fuck, Joy's up 50. Wow, that's insane because I never took a moment to actually check this shit out. Wow, that's absolutely insane. Look at this candle. That's just crazy. You know how many people actually selling here? Guys, look at the fucking chart of Ethereum. Go on this channel and check out the last fucking video on this channel. You don't own enough Ethereum. And I was specifically showing this level, 1760 bucks. How up from here you should be? 13 fucking percent. If you're 10x leverage, it's 2.3x. If you're 50x leverage, that's 6x already. We shall be just expanding, because guess what? What the majority thinks out there? Yeah, we're probably just going to the next resistance, nothing is fucking happening, altcoins are dead, meme coins are dead, nothing is happening on chain, and I'm actually like, majority is not even fucking watching. I think I was talking about long and mock, I'm not sure, maybe I was not talking about this publicly, right? That's absolutely fucking insane what is happening currently. That's why if you are missing the core movements of this market, if you are not positioned in the market, nothing is happening for you. Yi is up 68%. For some reason, like, it's being constantly sold in the support, so it would be a huge shame if this shit is getting farmed. I'm holding some. I'm holding just a bit. Wow, most of the boba is fucking up 18%, 25%. That's just on a daily. And the interesting thing is that we shall be exposed to this type of candles on a daily basis. Just each and every day, 20%, 25%, 30%. It shall be something that we shall be actually experiencing from these levels. That's pretty insane. I can draw this shit on the chart for you. This is your wave 1. This is your wave 2. Which is what? Wave 2 is what? Do you know this shit? Elliott wave theory? Wave 2 is 80% correction. In this case, it's 95% correction. Do you know what the fuck wave 3 is actually going to be? It's absolutely fucking insane, because the way you should think about these things is that Boba was going up from $2 million, which was like an average in the bear market. I would even say $1 million, right? It was able to reach like $250 million out there. Right now, it's going from the floor of 10 million, which was like the bottom most point. I would say average floor was somewhere around 15 million, which is effectively like 15 times bigger, the floor. Will it be doing 10, 15 times bigger the market cap? Hard to say, but we should also be having the vast majority of liquidity out there in this current wave. And we are still at the fucking start of it. Nothing has happened yet. I can tell you exactly where we are, and I can tell you exactly where you probably think we are, because you are fucking incorrect, you're wrong as the most of the market out there. Let me show this shit. What most people think where we are. Most people think that we are here, that like the biggest wave has already happened, and that we are exposed to wave 5 currently at this stage, and nothing fucking is happening. It's not going to be a huge exposure. Maybe some sectors we will outperform. For example, during this time, gaming sector outperformed like crazy, but we are not fucking there. We are right here. And this is your wave 3. Well, maybe you can say that right here, but I just want to focus on meme coins. But if you look at the altcoins, they're fucking dead as well. Like, nothing is happening for them. They're dead for so much time out there. That's absolutely insane, right? And currently I'm more dancing because I was right, you know? So it's not me just screaming to you, just get on high leverage longs and things like that. As I was saying for multiple days in the previous videos, I do believe that having exposure currently is very, very important. Because if you think about that, yeah, fucking Boba went to like 90 million, right now it's 24, it's fucking nothing. Still, like on the long period of time, on the long enough time frame, it just won't mean shit, right? But just having exposure. This is actually what matters out there. This is what's important, especially at these levels. Obviously, if you long the bottom, congrats to you. You have fucking loans from $1,300 Ethereum. In the hindsight, it's always obvious, right? Imagine, like, someone could have entered and someone definitely did, because the price is up. Why the price is higher? Because someone fucking longed this shit. Someone did 40% on Ethereum on the matter of fucking nothing. On the matter of what? A month? 40% of very, very highly, like, you could have put $10 fucking million in here and you would be up 40%. Absolute insanity. So yeah, this is me talking about this thing at this stage. I think alts should be doing well, but I think memes will outperform them heavily. And I think the first wave is going to be memes. We're already seeing that memes are losing their ideal entry points from the bottoms. Shit is just pumping 2x left and right. They're pricing you out of your entries because you were late, you were scared, you lost. Still, there are some nice picks on the marketplace and alts should follow. From my point of view, alts should follow. Raul Paul is talking about BTC dominance when BTC dominance is really fucking dropping. And I've seen that in December and I've been preaching about it for multiple times. I was saying that when BTC dominance is really fucking dropping, memes are not doing anything. Alts are the ones that are pumping when we're actually seeing huge BTC dominance drop. But my bet is that this cycle, we might be seeing way more fucking meme coins in the top 100, especially at the top, than it was before. Thank you very much for watching this one. Stay healthy and rich, and I shall be seeing you tomorrow. Bye bye.